I think one of the successes, why it's so successful, is Pyar Ko Kya Naam, the show itself, is because of the characters. There's such amazing characters, so different, and I think the chemistry between you and Arnav is really good. Off screen, what's your relationship with with the cast members? Are you friends outside?
By far this has been my most amazing cast on any show that I've done. I get along with I don't have issues with people normally, so I get along with everybody, but we have really amazing people on this show, a set of really genuine nice people. So this has been my best cast ever. Yeah, and I'm friends with Barun, Daljit, Akshay, all of us. Like, I mean, Buaji, everybody. I love them all. Like, even if we don't shoot, we talk to each other and we catch up. So it's good. It's good though, because when you do watch a program, you can see that even though it is we're like a family. We're seriously like, we eat together, we sleep together, we yell at each other, we hit each other. It's I'm telling you, it's like home. That's the only thing that keeps me going. It's like I spend more time on my set than I spend at home. So it's a home away from home for me. So it's nice because obviously you're away from your family and you've got kind of a family there with you. Amazing, You won a favourite Jodi and a favourite international Jodi, which I was super duper happy about. No, I felt good because I think the Jodi award and the international Jodi award was the only award voted by audience. Everything else was a jury award. There was a panel of people who decided who should win what, and audience vote is the most amazing thing because it's a true vote. You know what actually people feel, and when we got best Jodi, I was like, oh, I was happy. We could see that because you all sat together, didn't you? The whole Pyar Ko Naam team all sat together. We decided to behave badly together. You know what, if I was there, it would have been a lot worse. My producer was freaking out. He was sitting at that table and he's like, don't do that. And we were like yelling and screaming, and we were very badly behaved. No, it was really good. It just seemed like you guys had so much fun, and it was like you got a beautiful smile. Thank you. And you should say that again. Barun Sopti, if you're listening. Barun Sopti, he thinks I have crooked teeth, and he just doesn't like me. He's just jealous. Although the girls like you so much, we have to say, Khushi, you must have a lot of girl crushes around because you are so beautiful, you are so friendly, you're so bubbly. I'll say it once again, get Barun jealous. Who is your best friend? And I love Barun, Akshay and everybody, but of course I've just known them for 1 year. I'm giving you names of people who I've known for over the years. But everyone that's in your life, they're there for a reason, and they're a part of your life. So they're special in their own way. So
serial में आप अर्नब के साथ काम कर रही हैं। अर्नब और खुशी की chemistry बहुत पूछिए उन लड़कियों से जो आपसे इतनी ज़्यादा jealous हैं कि आप दिन में कितने घंटे, 12 घंटे या 11 घंटे अर्नब के साथ रहती हैं। Am I right? There you go. So, okay. तो खुशी, किसके साथ काम करना सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा आपको, अर्नब के साथ या फिर मोहित सहगल के साथ? Obviously मोहित के साथ. No, she's telling me guys, I'm serious. Obviously मोहित के साथ, लेकिन मैं ये भी कहूँगी कि जितनी लड़ाइयाँ हुई है मेरे मोहित के साथ while working together, हमारा working fashion बहुत different है. But Barun and me blend together very well. We understand each other. We know when who's going to laugh, so it works well for us. Okay, खुशी, आपसे ये पूछना चाहूँगी क्योंकि आपकी बहुत सारी बातें जो हम लोग अक्सर टीवी पे आपकी इंटरव्यूज आती हैं, देखते हैं कि आप दोनों बहुत झगड़ते हो। आप दोनों इसी सवाल से ये पूछना चाहूँगी कि सेट पर माहौल कैसा है? बहुत अच्छा होता है. This is by far my most favorite cast and crew of any show that I've done. So it's like a home away from home. मैं ज़्यादा टाइम सेट पे बिताती हूँ. I spend at least 12 to 13 hours every day. So they are like family to me and they are amazing. I mean all of them are friends as such also. So it's really good. ये बलवंत कौर क्या है? क्योंकि हम सब लोग यहाँ पे जितने भी पंजाबी इकट्ठा हुए हैं, ये बलवंत कौर जरूर पूछना चाहती बलवंत कौर क्या है? मुझे नहीं पता एक्चुअली. हमको इतना सिखाया था या लेकिन मैं भूल गई. मुझे पंजाबी नहीं आती. ओके. और हम एकदम सेट और हमें ढोल बजाना था एंड वी वर सिंगिंग लाइक वेरी बैड सॉन्ग्स. Okay, we were singing on item number songs and it was not obviously recorded but we didn't know what to sing. So suddenly one of the people on our set comes and says, "What is this यार, अच्छे गाने गाओ, पंजाबी गाने गाओ." And then they started singing this Balwant Kaur. मुझे 8 दिन लगे सीखने में और 1 दिन लगा भूलने में. मैंने 1 दिन सीखा, बहुत खुशी थी, सबके लिए गाया एंड नाउ आई फॉरगॉट इट.
एक लाइन की आपको याद नहीं, बलवंत कौर ना आए, सारियां बीबियां आईयां, बलवंत कौर ना आए. खुशी को याद है पर खुशी अब गाना
I swear मुझे याद नहीं है. मुझे सच में बहुत मुश्किल से मैंने सीखा. It took me 7 days to sing these 3 lines.
ओके, अगली बार जब खुशी और अर्नब दोनों आएंगे तो डेफिनेटली खुशी और अर्नब दोनों आएंगे. ये भी पूछना, चलो ये तो हम बाद में पूछेंगे कि अर्नब कब आपके साथ आएंगे. और आप जिम वगैरह बिल्कुल नहीं जाते?
जी नहीं, मैं बहुत लेजी हूँ. मैंने जिंदगी में मैं जिंदगी नहीं गई हूँ. और आप वरुण दिस एक्चुअली ही मेक्स फन ऑफ मी. मैं 3 कदम चलती भी हूँ तो मैं बोलती भाई मैं थक गई.
ओके, दैट मीन्स हमें नेक्स्ट टाइम स्टार प्लस से ये रिक्वेस्ट करनी जरूरी होगी कि वरुण को साथ लेकर आए ताकि हम लोग आपके सारे सीक्रेट्स निकाल पाए.
एक्चुअली वरुण और मैं दोनों.
वरुण इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी थिन और वो सबसे गंदी चीजें खाता है. मतलब ऑयल, सुबह सुबह ब्रेड पकौड़ा खाएगा जिसमें इतना ऑयल है कि इवन 20 टिश्यूज इट विल सोक अप द ऑयल, बट ही डजंट पुट ऑन वेट.
He and me are the same, so we keep eating but we don't put on weight.
ओके, हमें पता चला था कि आप वरुण के बाल बहुत खींचती हो.
But that's when he irritates me. Yeah, because that's it. I mean, it hurts him. So there are 2 places I can hurt him, but I choose that.
I wanted to ask, if you had a chance to do a movie, would you want to do it with Varun or another actor?
Would I want to do with Varun?
Yeah.
Or another actor? Another actor. I said I want to do it all and try everything. Not that I don't like Varun, but another actor. Yeah.
वरुण सेट पे भी ऐसा ही होता है या नेचुरल में बहुत हैप्पी बॉय है वो? उसकी स्माइलिंग भी अच्छी है, वो हंसता क्यों नहीं है?
वरुण सेट पे कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट है. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइवली है, इरिटेटिंग है, अनोइंग है, but he is nothing like Arnab.
I want to ask you, if you were single, if Arnab was single, would you consider being with him? I've got a message from my son who's going to be here, and he says that to say hello to you, but he has a message for Arnab. Says to tell him that he loves him so much.
Thank you.
Okay.